In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between spaces in ClickUp. If you work in multiple spaces, knowing how to move between them quickly can save you a lot of time and make navigation much easier. The good news is that ClickUp keeps this very simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to your home workspace and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where ClickUp displays your main navigation options, including the section for spaces. The spaces area is the key place you'll use whenever you want to move from one part of your workspace to another. If you don't immediately see all of your spaces, don't worry. In some cases, the list may be collapsed or partially hidden. Just expand that section in the left sidebar so you can view the full selection. This is especially helpful if you're part of several teams or if your workspace contains multiple spaces for different projects, departments, or workflows. Once the spaces section is expanded, you can simply browse the available options and switch between them. ClickUp will show the spaces you have access to, and from there, it's just a matter of selecting the one you want to open. This makes it easy to move between areas without needing to search manually or go back through multiple screens. For example, if you want to open TeamSpace, just click on TeamSpace from the list. As soon as you select it, ClickUp will take you directly into that space so you can continue working there. This is a quick and efficient way to stay organized, especially when you're moving between different types of work throughout the day. It's also useful to know that you're not limited to jumping only between top-level spaces. You can also navigate deeper into the structure by opening folders or tasks inside a space, and then move to another space when needed. So whether you're switching at the space level or working your way into specific folders and tasks, the left sidebar gives you a convenient way to move around your ClickUp environment. A good tip here is to keep your sidebar organized and expanded. When you're actively working across multiple spaces, that can help reduce clicks and make it easier to find exactly where you need to go, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to switch between spaces in ClickUp quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.